Writing test instructions. This writing test includes two separate tasks. You will have 27 minutes for task 1 and 26 minutes for task 2. Try to complete each task to the best of your ability within the time limits.
Let's look at why this is a strong response for a CELPIP Task 1 email. Feel free to pause here if you would like more time to read the full text. First, notice how the email successfully addresses all three requirements. The writer explains their interest by saying they're eager to start a small vegetable patch. They ask clear questions about the joining process, including the waiting list and any associated costs. Lastly, they ask about important rules regarding garden access hours and cleanup duties. The email is organized very well. It starts with a polite greeting and an opening sentence that clearly states the purpose. The main points are discussed in separate body paragraphs, making the message easy to follow. The tone is respectful and semi-formal, which is perfect for writing to a community organizer. To connect ideas, the writer uses simple linking words like also and finally. The vocabulary is appropriate for this level, but it also includes two great B2 level words, eager, which shows strong enthusiasm, and appreciate, a polite way to show you are thankful. These words can help improve your score. Here is a simple tip for your own writing. Always state your purpose clearly in the first or second sentence. This helps the reader understand your email right away. Let's break down this strong response for option A. You can pause here if you need more time to review the text. The writer begins by clearly stating their choice, which is to invest the donation in digital resources. They then provide two well-supported reasons in separate paragraphs. The first reason focuses on the convenience of ebooks, which help people who have difficulty traveling. The second reason explains how online learning can help people get new skills for better jobs. This structure makes the answer logical and easy to read. The organization is excellent. After the introduction, the writer uses body paragraphs to develop each main idea before finishing with a short, effective conclusion. The tone is polite and semi-formal, which is perfect for a survey response. To connect ideas smoothly, the writer uses simple transition words like firstly and secondly. The vocabulary is suitable for this level, but it also includes two powerful B2 level words to make the writing stronger: essential, which means absolutely necessary, and valuable, which means very useful or important. Here is a practical tip for your own writing. Always give a clear reason for your choice in each body paragraph. This response does a great job of explaining why digital resources are a good idea, which makes the argument more persuasive. Let's explore why this response for option B is so effective. If you haven't read it yet, feel free to pause the video and do so now. This answer succeeds because it clearly states a preference for option B and provides two distinct reasons to support it. The writer's first point is that renovating the children's area is a crucial investment that supports families. The second point argues that free workshops help adults and seniors build a stronger community spirit. The arguments are logical and well explained. The structure of the response is clear and easy to follow. It has an introduction stating the choice, two body paragraphs that each focus on a different reason, and a concluding sentence to summarize the position. The tone is positive and community-focused, which fits the topic perfectly. The writer uses simple linking words like first and moreover to guide the reader through the arguments. The language is very accessible, but the writer also includes two excellent B2 level words: crucial, which means extremely important, and benefit, which is a great way to say help or be good for. A helpful tip for your test is to think about the different groups of people your choice will help. This writer mentions children, families, adults, and seniors, which makes the argument more detailed and thoughtful.